Hey Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Fatwa musamsele kuqala umaqele ubebe setha mntwana wamakhwela mfatwa musamsele wes5 kesana the 2K makoti. So bekabhebe sitha lo mntwana lasibone yamsele kukele for now singasho njalo sebekuthi lasibone yamsele ku currently so ubhebe samntwana and umaqele nguye kuphela lobonakala amkela or awelcome umakhwela, and bana abaningi liyasenga ukuthi it's giving siyapretendana la. We know ukuthi lala abanye bafata umakhoma lo amayini and umangwabe batitshelile vele bakhuluma disasuka kwathi bona nje abafundi lutho lebahlanganisana number 5 nje musamsele kangabafaki, so the only person lo accepta number 5 nalo abonakala amamkela nguye maqele the first wife, and I think it's really not fair for the others kokuthi bathi abam-accepti umakhwela kube kwabo nabo, they are not the first wives. So mfati oqala lana ngimacele nguye lo bekumali abe nenkana angavumi umuntu, but bona la bafike emuva bafike bangena emshadweni kunalomnye umfati ngibo la namhla sebangamfuni number 5. But anyway, asikho lapho, people are dragging and bashing umaqele for ku-babysitter mntwana makhwela, saying ukuthi we lo makava khona ukupretenda, lo make avata omjikela kumakhwela. So umacele guys one said ukuthi akasuye umngane wamakhwela, and wamtshela naye live 99 akazangambuke washo ukuthi mina nje angisimngane wakho, and I think ukuthi kubabysitha mntwana endoda yakhe it's genuine guys, there's nothing wrong about that. And akaphoxwa ngumuntu kude umuntu obeke maqele asibame enhloko athi babysitha mntwana hlala namakhwela, cause siyabona ukuthi vele baspenda isikhathi together, bayaphuma together. Siyambona namakhwela postile vele because umaqele like she's not someone in social media posta makhwela anamacele akakasaposte analomnye umfati wamsele because vele abamfuni siyakwathi lokho till today abamfuni. But I don't think ukuthi it's fair for people to drag umaqele bampide ngemagama because kude mulo mfostako ukuthi aspend isikhathi nemntwana makhwela uyatifunela kwenda lokho out of the goodness of her heart. And even if pretender upretenda kahle because vele kumele pretend, it's fine, it's okay, there's nothing wrong with that. And bantu ukuthi bamdrage it's really not fair nkosi yami, because angibathi bantu bafunani, because if ngabe ngam-accepti bebatokhuluma uyam-accepta mntwana wakhe uyambebisitha khombisa kumthanza nokumnakekela, still bantu bakhuluma bantu bafunani, nifunani kahle kahle guys ebantwini. So I think ukuthi it's not fair lokhu bantu laba kwenda kumaqele. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.